soda chug. This is 1 liter boot chugs. This is Guaraná Antarctica. This is the best soda ever. Comes from Brazil. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, cheers. 3, 2, 1. Excuse me. That lasted longer than your chug. Alright, finish your chug. This was hard. This one, I had to stop and take a breath because it was building up. I couldn't quite chug it in one breath. Clearly stir fry couldn't either. Should be able to finish it here. There we go. Nice. Thanks for watching.